Every Hero Hair custom cosplay wig is unique. Each custom piece brings with it a new challenge and a curtailed approach not just in its creation, but for its lifetime of maintenance performed free by our studios. This unlimited servicing between your con or cosplay appearances can be as simple as refreshing the piece through a full wash, reset, and screen-accurate restyle by our film and television industry team, to making subtle alterations, like a slight style or length change variation between the TV seasons or movie sequels from which it was reproduced, or the addition of a braid, a bun, or other new detail as requested by the client as it appears on screen. Regardless of what your wig needs during its annual servicing by our studios, it is always sent back to you in picture-perfect state, flyaways down, and returned stabilized in its own custom transportation and storage case.